Here I have HUAWEI Mate 9 Pro, and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Now find and select the settings. Here you need to find and choose the wireless and networks. Now choose Tetris and portable hotspot. Let's choose portable Wi-Fi hotspot, and let's enable the following hotspot by using this switcher at the top of the screen. So right now you just activate HUAWEI Mate 9 Pro hotspot. You can configure this hotspot right here, so you can change the network name, the encryption type, the password. Right now you are using the following one. You must know that the password must contain at least 8 characters. So you can also show some advanced options right here to select AP band, broadcast channel, and max connection allowed. Right now you can use this hotspot for 5 users. If you change something, tap save. If not, choose cancel. Here you can also set up some data limit, device list, and here we've got some tutorial. This is the hotspot icon, and if you disable this hotspot, the icon disappears. So it means that right now the hotspot is turned off. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.